In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Windows 11 completely free. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, just open any browser, then go google.com. Then inside the search box, start typing download Windows 11 ISO. Once you type and hit enter key, you'll find this type of search page. From here, we have to go this link, microsoft.com software download Windows 11. This is the link from where we can download Windows 11. I'm going to click here to access this website, and once you are there, you have to scroll till you find the ISO written is there. So here it is showing download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64-bit, and there is a drop down. Just click here and then choose this one, Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64-bit devices. Just click here, it will be selected. Now just press the confirm button. Once you press the confirm button, then it will bring this option. Select the language. We just need to choose a language. I'm going to choose English language, but if you prefer any other language, then it is fine also. Once you choose the language, then it will be selected like this way, and then you have to press the confirm button. I'm going to click confirm button, and very shortly it will bring this option, download Windows 11 English 64-bit download, and there are some other information is there, you can check, but my goal is to download it. Just click over there, and very shortly it will start downloading. It is asking where it will download. So here I'm going to click the downloads folder, and here I'm going to click the save button, and very shortly it will start downloading. It's a big file, so it will take some time. If you click here, you can check that it is showing like it is like 7.2 gigabyte, and it will take some time based on your internet speed. For my case, it is like taking like 3 minutes. And that's it. In this way, we can easily download the latest version of Windows 11 ISO file completely free. You don't have to pay any single penny or any amount of money.